Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Stocks to Play challenge where I'm giving you the hottest penny plays daily. I'm gonna go ahead and dive on into a couple plays here that we've been monitoring. All in all, this week's been a little bit tough. It's been bloodbath. Monday was a holiday. Tuesday was a bloodbath. This morning started off a little bit rough, but it looks like it was picking back up. Yesterday was one of the worst trading days of 2023. I was reading some articles. It was just a very bad day altogether in the whole market, not just one specific stock. When the market as a whole is not doing well, you can kind of say, okay, I didn't pick a bad one. That it is what it is. We have red days in the game. If you still believe in your play, you could use these days to average down, buy some more shares. They're on sale. You know what I mean? So we're gonna keep it moving. It didn't change too much for us. The plays that we were playing are still plays that we're playing and still keeping a watch for. One of those being SIDU, SIDU. So this play here, if you're in our group chat, I've been talking about this since right around here, 51 cents when I picked up our first set of shares. Um, Sold off, bought back, sold off, bought back. I've been playing this stock very often. I love the way that it trades in the daytime. Very easy one to play. As you can see here, the volume is really picking up on this thing. Um, Compared to the average volume of 3.5 million. Today we've seen 20 million. Um, it's doing very well. This had hit 84 cents at some point today, but it closed at 76. It's at 77 here in the after hours. It's now 7:41. They dropped some news 8 hours ago. So if you are in our paid WhatsApp group, you would have known that we're expecting some catalysts for SIDU, and they hit. But this is a new one that we did not anticipate here. SIDU Space secures additional launches with SpaceX. So long story short, the relationship between SIDU Space and SpaceX has been going very well. So it looks like they've taken on some additional launches to work with each other for the year 2024 and 2025. So this is all a good sign for SIDU. The thing that I really like SIDU, it's in the space sector. We know about this sector. It's getting hot right now. It's looking very good. They have news and catalysts dropping very frequently. The company's moving ahead. We like it a lot. You know, the thing that brought the eyes here that we need to keep in mind, and the reason that I like it so much was this big drop off here. This was because of an offering, and you can see that it's very well working its way back up to this 88 cent mark here. Guaranteed, man. This is going back over $1, 100%. I mean, things can change. There could be some dilution that can prolong it, but all in all, with the catalyst, the news, this should be creeping back up to what it was trading at before the offering. It really should. Once again, this is not financial advice. Trade at your own discretion. I just give DD and the plays I'm in and my opinions. At the end of the day, the risks that you take, it's on you, but just know we are taking educated risks. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, SIDU still looking very good, very strong. It had a crazy gap run up the other day. I'm not sure if people were actually able to make some money on it because it was a gap up, and then it just came down as the morning went on. Fortunately, we've been in on this play at 52 cents, sold out. Actually kept some shares too. So when we bought back the second time, our average was still lower than market value. You guys got to realize too, penny stocks, man, you could do that. It's about managing your money, moving money around, managing your risks, selling, taking some profits, buying back if the play is still going. Just because it ran up, you sold out. It doesn't mean it's done. You could tap back in and keep playing these things. You know what I mean? SIDU, I like a lot. I'm gonna keep it on high watch. I'm gonna be taking another position on this as well. Just gonna wait for the right time, the right entry. We don't force trades here. Um, if I happen to miss it and it runs up without me, hey, things pull back all the time. Nothing ever goes straight up. It's a discipline thing. You got to control your emotions. Don't trade on emotions. You will get ruined. You will get ruined. Anyway, so 5 day chart looking good. This thing, it's been really volatile. It's really volatile. They got a 1 year target of $4.50. In the sector that it's in, considering who they're like working with and SpaceX and things like that, 450 does not seem impossible for this stock with a market cap of 17.414. We're gonna just take it a day at a time, a week at a time. Lock in profits, keep playing it. I'll play this thing 20 times if I have to. There's no way in hell I leave um, something that I bought in the 50s and the 60s to just run to 450 without taking any profits. And we don't know if it actually will hit that target price, but along the way, there's tons and tons of opportunity to trade this thing. I really like it. One of my favorite plays at the moment. We're up on this play, so I feel confident going into the next couple of weeks with it. And this news dropped only 8 hours ago, so that was, hey, around lunchtime, just before there. Um, and it looks like, yeah, it started when that news came out. It started to go back up again, bringing back the eyes on this. Tons of volume today. We're gonna keep it moving and see how this plays out. Next trade that we're looking into is TRKA. Also, oh, actually, on this play here, man, I've been talking about. If you're in our group chat 5 days ago, I had posted a video talking about SIDU right here. And even way before that, I was posting in the group chat about it. This was down at 68 cents. The first time I made a post about it was at 52 cents. So if you're tapped in with our WhatsApp group, you can be ahead of these plays and have an opportunity to do your due diligence before the run and actually get in and try to make some money here before you're starting the FOMO. You know what I mean? So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If there's anything you guys want me to dig down or give you my opinion on, you could comment the ticker in the comment section below. And if you're interested in joining our paid WhatsApp group for only $25 a month, just email me or just put a comment down with your email and I will contact you and we can take it from there. But moving on, TRKA, they actually dropped some news. When was it? This morning. They dropped some news this morning. TRKA retains leading investment banking firm Jefferies to optimize its capital structure and explore just strategic alternatives. So they basically are working with this company here just to work out their business, like their numbers, their balance sheet. They're trying to restructure their debt or their capital, whatever it is they're doing. They're seeking some help from a company that specializes in this to help them have better financial results. So this came out this morning. All in all, today TRKA it's down 10%. We were also I talked about this just the other day too. Before the yeah, right here 2 days ago I spoke about it. And it really ran up that day. I mean, unfortunately, it was kind of hard to get in on that trade, but if you were holding shares before that run up, you did okay. I actually picked up some shares of this after the run up, so it ran up to here. Sorry, not there. This was on this day here. We picked up some shares at 25 cents. After it hit like, was it 30? Yeah, up there, 32 cents on the way back down. We took some at 25. I still believe this has a lot in the tank. And we're gonna still keep eyes on this. Remember, this just withdrew their public offering, so I'm gonna take a roll with this one here. I really like that. I know sometimes plays take time to develop. You gotta watch your plays play out. You know, like just because it's not hitting for you right away or you're down a couple bucks on it doesn't mean much. Like know your play, know your plan, and stick with it. The volume on this is still going crazy. It did trade at 204 million on the day that, so that was on the Tuesday. So today it's about a quarter of that. Still, remember, yesterday and today are not the best days in the market. Bloodbath. So this was running with on the worst day of trading we've had of 2023 so far. So I'm gonna definitely keep this on watch. I have a position. We're waiting on earnings for this company as well, and we're gonna. I'm very, very, very positive play here. I do regret not taking a position in this earlier, because I was watching this since like 13, 14 cents. But it is what it is. This plays every single day, so it's okay. We're still watching it now. It's got some momentum going now. The offerings were pulled. Earnings is coming. All in all, still looking like a very good play, TRKA. We're gonna watch it play out, man. Like these things, whenever they gap up, like in your head, you want to say it's not gonna come back down and fill the gap. But more or less times, man, they always come back down. Even when you're looking at it for the day, it's like, no, it's not going to come back. And most times they do end up coming back down to fill up the gap. So we're just going to take it as it comes. The next ticker we're going to talk about here is MULN. Unfortunately, this one has been taken more than a beat down a little bit comparing to the highs. It was just like up to here, 42 cents. This was just on February 6th, and we've just been, it's coming down, down, down. We'll see. I really like MULN. I've traded it a couple of times already. It's like I'm up on this play, but it's looking like it's going to be a longer play if you get into it right now. I mean, everyone's play is different. My price target or the percent I want on my capital could be different from yours, but as of right now, the downtrend on this from February 6th to now, it's a little gruesome. You know, Mullen still has unreal amount of volume and a lot of eyes. People really like this stock. It's just it's not performing the way we want to yet. So I'm still keeping eyes on this. It's just one of those plays right now that's having some trouble picking up some momentum to head up in the other direction there. Like I really do feel like Mullen, like the PR team for this company is kind of lacking a little bit, and maybe they get better as the year goes on. But all in all, the company and what they're putting out there, their vehicles, like it looks good. We just gotta be a little bit patient here with this one. Like you can watch tickers for a long time. You don't have to take a position. That's kind of what I'm doing with this at this point because I've already played it a couple of times. But Mullen is definitely still on my watch. Anyway, guys, I think that's about it for this video here. I just really wanted to break down the SIDU space there and just TRK with the quick little updates with the news. But yeah, we're gonna go into tomorrow. Hopefully it's better than the past 2 days, or at least better than yesterday. We're gonna shoot for the moon here. I really do like SIDU. If you guys are interested in growing and learning with our group, just drop your email in the comment section there, and I will hit you up to join our paid WhatsApp group if that's your intentions at the moment. Anyway, adios guys, take care.